Hello everyone. Before we are going to speak about something, tell me one thing. Today is my 50th day of our 100 days English speaking challenge journey. The days are going very fast. I don't know how to express, but it was good to me. Yeah, okay. So let's get into the topic. Today I'm going to speak about some vocabularies related to weathers and seasons because it's crucial to learn about these vocabularies to develop our day-to-day communications, right? So first let understand the difference between the weather and seasons, right? So the weather, that is describes the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time. For example, I am currently staying in my hostel at Tirupur. Today is sunny. Like, so for your place, your hometown, like your places, it may like might be a sunny, cloudy, rainy, or windy, like that. So this is known as weather. A season is a longer period of the year that has similar weather patterns. Okay, so there are four main seasons. The first one is spring. During spring, the weather becomes warmer, flowers start to bloom, and nature looks fresh and beautiful. The next is summer. Summer is usually hot and sunny. People often go to beaches, travel, and enjoy outdoor activities. They involving themselves in outdoor activities during the summer season. Then comes autumn, that is also known as fall. During the season, the temperature becomes cooler and leaves fall from trees. You may be see now, I think so. The last season is winter. Winter is the coldest season, and in many countries, people experience snow and freezing temperatures, right? Like in India, the Kashmir, like that. So these are the seasons. Now let's learn about the weathers. I will tell them in very simple ideology, like if the sun is shining brightly, then we say it is sunny. If the sky is covered with clouds, it is cloudy. If there is lot of rain, then we simply call it as rainy. Like if there is any strong wind is blowing means it is known as windy. Okay, so we can use these words in our daily conversation, right? Because we have to understand these kind of vocabularies must, because this is speakable, this is we have to learn, because we have to express our thoughts like this, right? So it's crucial to learn. For example, today the weather is sunny and pleasant. Yesterday it was cloudy. Today may be rainy, like that. So learning weather vocabularies help us describe our surroundings more clearly and improve our communication better in English. So thanks for watching, guys. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you.